Hello everyone, I am Akansha Sinha of class 6th and today I am here to tell you some about unity in diversity in India. So let's start. Unity in diversity in India. 5000-year-old civilization, 325 languages spoken, 1652 dialects, 18 official languages, 28 states, 5 union territories, 3.28 million square kilometers is the area of India, 7516 kilometers coastline. Parliamentary form of government, secular democratic constitution, world's largest democracy since 55 years, fourth largest economy, fastest growing IT superpower, Indian Railways the biggest employer in the world. Yoga made in India, origin 5000 BC, documented by 200 BC 300 AD. India, land of unity in diversity. Here is a map of India given below. Languages of India. In India, there are many languages spoken. For example, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, Assamese, Rajasthani, Sanskrit, Bengali, Odia, etc. Religions in India. Hinduism, Jainism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam. The 7 classical dance forms. Mohiniyattam, Kathak, Manipuri, Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, Natraj, Odissi, Kuchipudi. Unity in diversity, the famous Goa beach, St. Francis Church, Goa, Gir National Park, Mount Abu in Rajasthan, Bollywood. Jagannath Temple, Puri, Sun Temple, Konark, Konark Temple, Mutkeshwar Temple, Rajarani Temple, Bhubaneswar, Wheel of Konark Temple. India, the land of unity in diversity. Famous places in the west. Western Thar Desert, Rajasthan, the Ajanta and Ellora caves, Hawa Mahal, Palace of Winds in Jaipur. Great Indians. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of nation. Vinoba Bhave, national teacher of India. Amitabh Bachchan, famous Bollywood actor. Unity in diversity in India. Rabindranath Tagore, poet and writer of India's national anthem and Nobel laureate in literature in 1930, 1861 to 1941. Oneness amongst men, the advancement of unity in diversity. This has been the core religion of India. Thank you.